Hi everyone, my name is Karan and you are watching English with Karan YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and you are practicing English speaking and you are trying to speak English language. And in this video I want to say a lot of the things like English speaking. You know that when you speak English language then you feel very hesitations, afraidness, and sometimes your mind is stuck and you couldn't able to speak this language a bit of the sentence. I know that this problem is a very common and I also faced this a lot of the problem like you. And if you are a beginner, so this problem is a very mandatory for you, because when you're doing practice it means you are regularly practicing English speaking, and this looks that you are trying to speak English language. So that's great, you are facing a lot of the problems. Face the problems and try to improve your English speaking. You know that you are speaking English language and then you thought that my friends, my neighborhood persons, what they will say me, like what they think about me. I know that this problem, like my family members, what they will say, what they will think about me, that I'm speaking English, wow, it's very grateful. So many things running on in your mind. I know that problem is very common, and maybe this problem is very good for you because you are processing, you are the level of the processing, and this language is more important for your communication skill. You know, you have a skill of the communication, like how can you talk with the other person, stranger person, and then you will able to speak front of the publics, because you have a communication skill. Like you can ask a lot of the questions, you have a lot of the questions and so many things. That's why you are able to speak this language with the front of the publics. And do you know that one thing is more important, the English speaking tongue. You know that a lot of the tongue twisters and filler words is available for professional English. A lot of the combinations, a lot of the a lot of the contraction words is exist to learn this language. Like I say that मैं I will को कह सकता हूँ I'll, मैं I am को कह सकता हूँ I am, मैं I am going to को बोल सकता हूँ I am gonna, मैं I want to को बोल सकता हूँ I wanna. So this kind of the thing you can do it, and then you will able to improve your English and expand your English level, and then you will look your fluency when you will try to this kind of the way. And please guys support me that my YouTube channel is not very expand subscribers. I have not more subscribers, but in future I know that my YouTube channel is about to very big channel, I know that. So yeah, you can try to do it these things and listen more and more, listen more and more, like every time in the 24 hours you should learn English, you should speak English, you should listen more and more English podcast, English communication, English videos, English movies. So many things you can do it, and then you will able to speak this language. And do you know that if I have learned all of the things of the English learning, but do you know, like one thing is a more important, looks like a professional speaker. It means you should have a fluency, like English speaking, like when you speak English language, and then you should feel that this is a language. I totally feel like I say you jump, so sudden, all of the sudden your come in your mind the one thing like a jump. It means जब मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ जंप, तो आपके माइंड में यह आना चाहिए कि एक बच्चा जो है जंप कर रहा है. जब आपको मैं बोल रहा हूँ लाफ, तो आपके माइंड में आना चाहिए कि आप जो है हंस रहे हो, या ऑडियंस हंस रही है, या सलमान खान हंस रहा है. ऐसे टाइप से वीडियोस आना चाहिए. जैसे मैं आपको बोलूँ समोसा, तो आपके मन में एक समोसा आएगा. वैसे ही इंग्लिश को आपको बोलना है. लाइक मैं बोलूँ अगर प्रियंका चोपड़ा, तो आपके माइंड में प्रियंका चोपड़ा आता है. वैसे ही इंग्लिश में अगर मैं बोलूँ आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोलूँ, तो आपको लाइक मैं बोलूँ ऑफन, तो आपके माइंड में अक्सर है ना, ऑफन मतलब होता है हमेशा, मतलब कि अक्सर है ना. तो आपका जो है ऑफन जो है वर्ड जो है आपके वोकेबलरी में, आपके माइंड में आना चाहिए. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ द वे, इन सच अ वे यू आर एबल टू स्पीक दिस लैंग्वेज, एंड देन you will get a fluency because you have an idea to speak this language, and then you will look your fluency, and as well as your pronunciation is a very matter. You know that you will improve your pronunciation, and then you will look your fluency, like your pronunciation. Like some kind of the people say like grammar, but no, this is a grammar. Some kind of the people say technology, but no, this is a wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation is this technology. Okay, so this kind of the way you will able to speak this language, and then you will look your fluency, and then literally guys you think that wow, my English looks like a professional. when you will try like contraction word, face your focus on your pronunciation, focus on your contraction word, filler word, tongue twisters, like tongue twister, like a lot of the tongue twister in English available, and you will able to speak the lot of the tongue twisters like in Hindi. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चांदी की चम्मच में चटनी चटाई. So you will able to do to lot of the things, and then you will look your fluency. So many things you can do it. So I meet next video. So okay, so have a nice day, and please support me, like and subscribe my video. Thank you.